Somebody's following us.
Lose them.
Like airline luggage.
You're not supposed to drive when you're angry.
They're heading towards the waterfront. Hang on!
It's so funny you think you have to tell me that.
Stop the car, question. Pull over.
Stop following us, Canary.
Is that her? Give me that!
Hey!
You want a piece of me, Blondie? Bring it.
This is so unnecessary. Are we dead yet?
No.
Are we dead yet?
Look, if we die, I promise I'll let you know.
Train.
I see it.
Train!
I see it!
Whoops.
John, get us out of here! Now!
I can't believe you! I rebuilt that bike by hand!
You're absolutely right. I'm sorry I saved our lives.
Ugh.
Jean thinks Huntress is the unstable one.
Look, there are 100 ships leaving here a day. If Mandragora is trying to get out of the country, how are we supposed to know which one he's on?
What if he isn't hopping a freighter? What if he's playing a more subtle game?
No more questions, okay? What are you saying?
What if he's here to meet a freighter? As it happens, there's one coming in from his home country this very evening. Come on.